What's going on, people? I am at Burgess Park today. I just was local, thought let me stop. This is literally going to be my second flight using the Dji Avata. I'm still kind of YouTube tutorial stage, trying to learn around it, get around it. At Burgess Park, South London, I have literally got the Dji Avatar full setup. Second flight, this will be. The first flight was indoors. I didn't really know what I was doing. Few errors, didn't really set up the camera right. So this is pretty much going to be the second time I've actually flown it. So I'm just going to get the goggles set up, turn out the controller on, pull out the antennas. I'm thinking to try the motion controller even as well, because we're in a nice enough space, but it's just the only thing is the motion controller just gives me a little bit of anxiety, bruv, because I've never actually flown a drone like that, although they market it as it's very easy to use, but personally it looks a bit crazy. We've got a few trees around, we've got a few obstacles, chairs. Not going to really go for any tight gaps. We're just going to just pretty much go through because there's a lot of birds. So yeah, just going to get the goggles on. The reason why I got the Avatar is because I used to fly FPV, but the only thing is, you see, when you're flying FPV, you got to solder up motherboards, high-powered lipos in your house, storage chart. It's a bit too scary. I like how DJI has got the technology to do all of that for you, and you get HD quality there and then. So do you get what I mean? It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. It's mad. I know what you mean. So right now, currently I'm literally practicing orbiting objects. Obviously the tighter the orbit, I'm trying to prep more. So what you see with FPV, you can't come out and think that you're gonna do 100 things at once. You got to focus on one. I'm just gonna change the batteries to be safe, because the worst thing I want. Literally, the aircraft was in low power state, so the worst thing, I'm gonna turn it off, then remove the battery, because worst case scenario, I do not want this to fall out the sky. So if it's on 50%, that's calm for me. That's all right for me. So I haven't yet got the labels for the battery, so that's just battery one. The second battery, I'm gonna put it in. Yep, that has a good amount of charge. Actually, me being a previous FPV fighter, I actually love the ergonomics of the DJI FPV. It's so much easier than that. It's just so easy. Yeah. I'm getting a little bit dizzy now, so now I just switch it up. So with FPV, it's all about double coordination. You've got to be using both sticks at once. Whereas on a normal camera drone, you'll just be using one stick at once. You get what I mean? So for me, half pastry, I saw you're it. Guys, that was a good flight. Thank God that was a good flight. So there you are, you can watch the footage fully graded. Boom. Well, that makes sense. Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you enjoyed that and would like to see much more FPV content, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Also, if you're into drone content or you're into FPV or you are FPV drone pilot or considering getting into it, don't forget to subscribe. Please leave a like and share. If you know anyone also interested into drones, FPV, etc. Me, I have to dabble a bit on and off with FPV, so I would say I have about 3-4 years experience, but on and off, on and off, on and off. Nothing crazily with the FPV. I just do FPV for fun.